So this video is for especially for those who have very short hair and those who actually want to grow their hair. And actually I also had very short hair till here only, but after doing this method, after doing it for at least 1 year, it actually worked on my hair, and it resulted really well. And from this length to this length, actually my hair have grown. And this is very simple. You can just do it at your home. For this, what you need to do is you have to just use two ingredients. One is the ginger juice, and the second is that you usually do it regularly, that you have to do it regularly. Actually, oiling your hair, that is the most important thing, because that actually nourishes your hair. So this I usually do it for at least twice a week, and you will definitely get the results for long hair, those who actually want the long hair. So actually this actually worked on me. I hope this works on you too. So you can just apply it. This does not have any side effect. So this is actually a very organic method. Okay, so let's just start with it. So see, I have taken a fresh ginger here, and I'm going to grate it first, and then I'll take out some juice out of it. So let's just start it. So here we have got the grated ginger, and now we are going to take out the juice out of it. Okay, so for that we need I have taken a old cloth. Okay, thin cloth, you can take any thin cloth, and put all the grated ginger onto it. Take a bowl and squeeze it. You can just see the juice coming out of it. So we have got the juice, ginger juice, and now this we are going to apply on our hair. Now before applying this ginger juice on your hair, you need to wear an old t-shirt or old sweatshirt, anything that you wish to wear. And now I'm going to just see, I'm going to take it on my fingers and put it on my scalp. Put it on your whole scalp, and this much juice is more than enough for one scalp. For best result, you need to put it on the scalp only. Okay, do not put it on the hair. In the scalp, you have to put this juice, whole scalp. See, now I have put the whole ginger juice on my whole scalp, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Figaro olive oil. Okay, and I'm going to put it on my whole hair. I'm going to oil my hair. You can use olive oil or almond oil for best results. Okay, otherwise you can use any oil, but for best results, to feel the difference, you can use olive oil is the best thing, and otherwise almond oil is also fine. So just keep oil your hair properly. deeply. In your scalp, under the roots. And now after oiling, just tie your hair and leave it for at least for 1 hour. Otherwise, I usually do it at night and keep it for the whole night, and on the next day I used to wash my hair in the morning. Okay, otherwise if you don't have so much of time, then what you can do is you can just leave it for 1 hour or maximum 1.5 hour, and then you can just go for washing your hair. So after washing my hair, I'll just show you how my hair will be looking like. Now after the hair wash, you can just see they look so nourished. Okay, I've just washed my hair and I have done the blow dry, that's it. And this is how you can get long hair. But for this you have to actually do it for at least 2 to 3 months, then only you can just see the results. And this is how I got. Actually, my hairs were very short, but now I have at least this much length. You can just see at least this much length. So this actually works. You can just do it on your own. This is very simple, and just go for it. Thank you.